and welcome back to Today in Science, where we're going to be talking about the man, the myth, the legend, Isaac Asimov, who has come to predict so much of the stuff that we know and use every day in society. From TVs to smart cars to virtual reality headsets and voice over internet protocol things like Skype and FaceTime. This dude thought about it all before we even invented any of it. Now, on this day, obviously, we're talking about this man because he was born. And not only was he a prolific science fiction writer, but he was also a biochemist in his own right. Now, Asimov's works have inspired generations of scientists and dreamers alike, myself included. He even coined the term robotics. His ability to explain complex scientific concepts in an engaging and accessible way left an indelible mark on the world of science literature. But Asimov didn't stop at making science accessible. He was a visionary, like I said, predicting the rise of artificial intelligence long before it became a reality. His stories often explored the moral and ethical implications of advanced artificial intelligence. One of his most famous works, I, Robot, is a collection of short stories that imagine the development of a positronic brain, robots and human-like machines with a form of artificial intelligence, and has greatly influenced the field of robotics. I covered this book in depth, chapter by chapter, in a book review, and found it to have displayed many futuristic issues that we're actually just now having to deal with in our society today. So, Asimov accurately predicted, like I said, things like Skype, FaceTime, HD TVs, virtual reality headsets, immersive video games, and self-driving cars. Now, let's take a leap from literature to space. On this day in 2004, NASA's spacecraft Stardust made a significant discovery. It collected dust grains from the comet Wild 2, and here's a render image of what it would look like if someone would have taken a picture of the spacecraft as it was tailing the comet. Now here's a picture of what the spacecraft actually looks like on the ground, human for scale, and here's a picture of the comet itself, Wild 2, on this day in 2004, as it was able to collect some of that space dust. Now, what is so significant about all of this? What did they find in that space dust? Well, they found glycine, an essential building block of life. The discovery has profound implications for our understanding of life's existence beyond Earth, and it's a reminder of how every speck of dust in the universe can hold secrets waiting to be discovered. In fact, did you know that we're all made of stardust? Most of the elements in our bodies have spent billions of years in multiple star lifetimes forming. This stardust journeyed through space and time to become part of our planet Earth and ultimately part of us. And honestly, it's truly amazing to think about our cosmic origins. Anyways, I'll see you next time on Today in Science. Cheers.